thing to note that this isn't Vanta Black.
Let's embark on a journey through the realm of scientific exploration, where the most astounding revelations often arise from unexpected twists of fate rather than meticulously planned experiments. This collection delves deep into the riveting discoveries made by scientists that have left the global scientific community utterly astonished. Join us as we unravel a remarkable compilation of 20 truly mind-blowing revelations that continue to captivate and amaze. Number 20. Cloning. In 1996, a group of Scottish scientists made an astonishing breakthrough that shook the world. They successfully cloned a sheep named Dolly, marking the first time a mammal had been cloned from an adult somatic cell. This achievement challenged the prevailing belief that cloning from adult cells was impossible. Led by Dr. Ian Wilmot, these visionary scientists defied expectations. By utilizing a cell from an adult sheep and merging it with an empty egg cell, they brought Dolly into existence, an exact genetic replica of her adult counterpart. This groundbreaking event ignited intense discussions about the ethical ramifications of cloning, the potential for human cloning, and the profound questions surrounding scientific boundaries and ethical responsibilities. The creation of Dolly forced society to confront the delicate balance between scientific advancement and the consequences of altering the natural order. This remarkable feat prompted us to reflect on the essence of humanity and the potential risks of manipulating nature. While the possibilities of cloning for medical purposes, such as addressing organ shortages, are promising, it also calls for careful consideration of the ethical implications that accompany such groundbreaking strides in scientific exploration. Number 19. Dogs feel the Earth's magnetic fields. While I don't lean toward dogs or cats, I must admit that when it comes to a natural connection with our world, dogs have a unique advantage. On the flip side, cats exhibit a mesmerizing defiance of gravity, showcasing their lightning-fast reflexes that enable them to gracefully land on their feet, even from remarkable heights. A captivating discovery in 2013 shed light on dogs' extraordinary abilities. Scientists initially noticed an intriguing pattern in dogs' pooping behavior. They often aligned themselves along the north-south axis. This wasn't dismissed as mere chance. Experts are convinced that dogs purposefully adopt this orientation, not only during defecation, but also while urinating. A minor exception lies with male dogs, who display a somewhat more carefree approach to their alignment. So why do dogs engage in this behavior? Researchers' theories suggest that dogs possess a sensitivity to the Earth's magnetic field, akin to various other creatures such as cows, deer, birds, fish, and even whales, all of which rely on Earth's magnetism for navigation. Our furry companions appear to share this remarkable navigational skill. The concept might stretch your imagination, but it's worth a shot. During your dog's next outdoor bathroom expedition, consider taking along a compass. Observe the direction they choose. A fun and fascinating experiment to unveil if your dog is indeed in harmony with Earth's magnetic embrace. Number 18. Penguin poop effect. Penguins, those enchanting inhabitants of our world, never fail to captivate with their unique qualities. Each species stands as a captivating subject that sparks the curiosity of researchers, and let's not forget their undeniable charm. Their adorable presence is truly a delight to behold. Yet, in a recent revelation, scientists stumbled upon an unexpected aspect of penguins' existence. While observing these remarkable creatures, researchers made a rather peculiar discovery. Penguins possess an uncanny ability to generate nitrous oxide, more commonly recognized as laughing gas, through their excrement. It's an astonishing revelation that adds a surprising twist to their already intriguing nature. However, this newfound talent comes with an unforeseen consequence. Beyond its lighthearted implications, penguin guano contributes significantly to the nitrogen content in the atmosphere. This influx of penguin waste has an unexpected impact. It elevates the levels of nitrous oxide present in the air. Now here's the twist. Nitrous oxide happens to be a potent greenhouse gas, a key contributor to the ongoing rise in global temperatures. Number 17. Vaseline. Back in the late 1800s, a young chemist named Robert Cheesebro embarked on a quest for the extraordinary. His fascination was kindled by a peculiar substance found on oil rigs known as rod wax, which possessed remarkable healing attributes. This substance clung to drilling rods, warding off rust and aiding in the mending of minor wounds. A true marvel. Robert Cheesebro was resolute in unlocking the enigma held within this rod wax. Hours upon hours were dedicated to refining and purifying the material, resulting in the creation of what we now recognize as petroleum jelly or Vaseline. The journey to its inception was an ardent one. To demonstrate the astounding merits of Vaseline, Cheesebro embarked on a personal experiment. He generously applied the viscous substance to his own skin and subjected it to a range of extreme conditions: searing heat, biting cold, and even open flames. The conclusion? Vaseline emerged triumphant, proving its resilience and adaptability. Number 16. The world's first venomous frog. Lab classes have taught many of us the paramount importance of safety during experiments. Scientists prioritize caution in the field, yet unexpected twists can still arise. In the verdant jungles of southwest Brazil, Brazilian biologists encountered a breakthrough, albeit through an unconventional lesson in caution. Carlos Jarrett, an adept researcher, was immersed in his fieldwork amidst the lush landscapes. His extensive knowledge of the local ecosystem led him to believe that a seemingly harmless frog posed no threat. With this assumption, he picked up the unassuming creature only to quickly realize the frog held a devious surprise. As Carlos lifted the frog, an unexpected transformation occurred. The frog, which happened to be the greening's Sprague species, unleashed an astonishing defense mechanism. It commenced a violent thrashing, delivering headbutts to Carlos's hand. The intriguing twist in this tale reveals a remarkable phenomenon observed in many amphibians. Amphibians, including the greening Sprague, possess a unique ability. They can secrete toxins through their skin, acting as a defense mechanism. However, this particular frog takes defense to an extraordinary level. The discovery made by Carlos and collaborator Edmund Brody unveiled an astonishing feature. The frog employs bony spines concealed beneath its upper lip to forcefully inject toxins into a potential predator's bloodstream. Number 15. Strikable Match. In the early 19th century, a chemist named John Walker was engrossed in his laboratory work, immersed in his experiments. Little did he suspect that an ordinary accident would go on to reshape history in profound ways. The tale goes that during his focused endeavors, John Walker happened upon an unforeseen revelation. While engaging with a mixture, Walker inadvertently observed a dry substance clinging to the end of a wooden stick. Intrigued, he instinctively struck this peculiar substance against a nearby surface, and in an instant a spark ignited, setting the match ablaze. This unanticipated event sparked a transformative insight within John Walker, a true eureka moment. What Walker had inadvertently chanced upon was the amalgamation of certain chemicals. This amalgam, when brought into contact with a rough surface through striking, generated a minute spark with the power to kindle a flame. Number 14. Vanta Black. Have you come across the mesmerizing Vanta Black? This captivating hue has been making waves, catching the eye of your favorite influencers and artists. In the realm of colors, Vanta Black emerges as a true wonder, an unprecedented creation that commands attention. Imagine a shade so intensely black that it absorbs a staggering 99.965% of visible light, leaving you with the sensation of gazing into an infinite abyss. This remarkable feat is what sets Vanta Black apart. Developed by a team of scientists led by Dr. Ben Jensen at Surrey Nanosystems in the United Kingdom, Vanta Black was initially intended for aerospace and scientific applications. However, its unique allure quickly transcended these realms, captivating minds around the world. The truly astonishing aspect of Vanta Black lies in its intricate composition. It consists of a dense array of microscopic carbon nanotubes, each a mere 3,500 times thinner than a human hair. These nanotubes possess a remarkable ability. They trap and absorb nearly all incoming light, reminiscent of a materialized black hole. Number 13. Anesthesia. Has anyone here experienced surgery? Can you imagine enduring a surgical procedure without the blessings of anesthesia and pain relief? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? In our modern context, it's hard to fathom the torment patients endured in the 19th century when these crucial comforts were absent. Both patients and surgeons were ensnared in a nightmare of excruciating pain and trauma during procedures. However, a stroke of serendipity altered this grim reality. Cast your mind back to 1846, a pivotal year when fate intervened. Dr. William Morton, a dentist with a heart for his patients' well-being, embarked on a mission to ease the torment of dental procedures. In the labyrinth of his quest, he chanced upon a mysterious substance known as ether. It was a daring gamble, but Dr. Morton dared to administer this enigmatic substance to a patient before surgery. What happened next was nothing short of magical. As if guided by an unseen hand, the ether performed an incredible feat. It quelled the agony of the operation. This revelation marked an unforgettable eureka moment that reverberated through the annals of medical history. Dr. Morton's inadvertent discovery unleashed a revolutionary shift, forever liberating patients from the shackles of unspeakable pain and giving surgeons the tools to conduct their vital work with newfound compassion. Number 12. The ninth planet. Following Pluto's bittersweet departure from the ranks of recognized planets in our solar system, we've settled into a cosmos adorned with 8 celestial inhabitants. Yet, the cosmic stage might still be hosting a clandestine guest enter, Planet 9. This theoretical realm suggests that an immense planet, dwarfing Earth in size, could be lingering beyond Neptune's orbit. Planet 9, should it exist, would boast a rather dramatic existence. Its envisioned trajectory involves a lengthy and peculiar journey around the Sun, marked by a highly elongated and tilted orbit, spanning thousands of years. While the pursuit of this elusive celestial body continues, astronomers have spotted intriguing irregularities in the paths of distant objects that align with the forecasted presence of this shadowy planet. However, despite these tantalizing breadcrumbs, the quest for direct visual confirmation remains unfulfilled. The veil of mystery surrounding Planet 9 fuels both fervent curiosity and robust debate within the astronomical community. While some enthusiasts lean towards the belief in its existence, others tread cautiously, deeming this potential ninth planet a persistent theory rather than a substantiated reality. Number 11. Mauve. While I don't have personal preferences like humans do, I'm fascinated by the story behind the discovery of mauve. In 1856, a young chemist named Sir William Perkin, enrolled at the Royal College of Chemistry, was on a mission to find a malaria cure. But what he stumbled upon was not a remedy for illness, but a transformational breakthrough in the realm of art and color. Perkin's experimentations led him to combine coal tar with a plant derivative called quinine. This fusion yielded an unexpected outcome, a thick, black substance. In an attempt to rectify this result, he introduced alcohol, resulting in an astonishing transformation. The once dark mixture metamorphosed into a vibrant and striking shade of purple, the birth of the color mauve. This serendipitous accident marked the inadvertent creation of the first modern synthetic dye. Prior to Perkin's groundbreaking revelation, dyes were sourced from nature, from plants, insects, and minerals. These natural dyes were costly to produce, prone to fading, and were often a luxury afforded only by the wealthy. Perkin's discovery of mauve offered people in the 1850s a chance to embrace vivid colors without resorting to the potentially hazardous arsenic-laden green dye. Number 10. Ancient art in the Brou-Nickel Cave. Deep within the confines of Brou-Nickel Cave in southwest France, a recent discovery has unveiled a profound shift in our understanding of Neanderthals. Traditionally seen as primitive beings driven by instincts, these newfound rock formations have shattered this notion, casting Neanderthals in a dramatically different light. Contrary to the simplistic image that had persisted over the years, these stone formations offer a remarkable insight into Neanderthal intelligence and systematic thinking. Crafted by the very hands of our distant relatives, these formations predate even the earliest cave paintings by a staggering 175,000 years. The allure of these rocks lies not merely in their existence, but in their deliberate arrangement. Unlike haphazardly strewn objects, these rocks follow a discernible pattern, hinting at a purposeful design. Number 9. The microwave. Microwaves have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of households worldwide, yet their origin tale is one of unexpected chance. The year was 1945, and Perry Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon Corporation, was immersed in experiments involving a magnetron, a key component of radar technology. In the midst of his scientific exploration, fate intervened in an astonishing way. While stationed near the magnetron, Spencer experienced an inexplicable sensation. A candy bar tucked away in his pocket was inexplicably melting. This event ignited his curiosity. Seizing the moment, Spencer initiated a more structured experiment, employing popcorn kernels as his subjects. Placing them in the proximity of the magnetron, he watched in wonder as they burst into a delectable flurry of popcorn. As the gears of his mind whirred, Spencer discerned the monumental potential of his discovery, a revolutionary technique for heating food using electromagnetic waves. This fortuitous accident proved to be the catalyst for a groundbreaking innovation, the microwave oven. Number 8. Pills and color theory. When prescribed a blue pill, notions of calmness might unconsciously swirl in your thoughts, while a yellow one could evoke a sense of energy. Surprisingly, scientists have delved into the realm of how pill colors can impact our perception of their effects. These inquiries span the central nervous system, delving into the domain of potent substances. Intriguingly, the studies yielded a tapestry of revelations. Colors like red, yellow, and orange were intertwined with the perception of a stimulant effect, while blue and green hues resonated with a tranquilizing, calming touch. The human brain, it seems, engages with these chromatic cues, creating expectations aligned with the pill's shade. However, the relationship between color and drug effectiveness proved more intricate. Across these investigations, consistency danced playfully out of reach. While some variance in perceived impact emerged based on color, a clear pattern in terms of actual effectiveness remained elusive. The chromatic factor, though not insignificant, hasn't manifested as the sole determinant of a drug's prowess. Number 7. 1 pound of lead or 1 pound of feather. Ah, the timeless riddle. What's heavier, a pound of lead or a pound of feathers? It seems straightforward, doesn't it? Yet delving into the depths of this puzzle reveals a captivating realm where our intuitive understanding of weight faces a playful dance with physics. At first glance, a pound of lead and a pound of feathers indeed share equal weight. Empirically, there's no contest. In the world of precision, weight measurements aren't solely dictated by gravity. An ensemble of forces comes into play, teasing our riddle further. Enter the enigmatic influence of air. Feathers, while sharing mass with lead, boast a larger volume, resulting in greater air displacement. Feathers gallantly defy gravity's pull due to their airy dance. In a tangible scenario, imagine tethered horizontal strings swinging alongside the weighted objects. An invisible dance partner emerges, air, slyly hitching a ride. Blindfolded volunteers engage in an experiment, encountering boxes of equal size. Each box contains securely nestled masses of lead and feathers. A stunning revelation unfurls. An overwhelming 74% of volunteers perceive the box laden with lead as weightier. The mystique behind this phenomenon lies in the symphony of perception and physics. Our perception of heaviness waltzes with an object's dynamic symmetry. Objects with symmetric mass distributions sway our minds, making them feel lighter than their asymmetric counterparts. Gravity and physics commune, orchestrating a grand performance that shapes our perception of weight. So the next time this riddle graces your ears, you're armed with newfound knowledge to ignite a spirited discussion. Amidst the playful banter, remember that weight, perception, and physics engage in an intricate tango, a reminder that the world of science and curiosity is ever poised to enchant and challenge our understanding. Number 6. Wasps have distinguished faces. The world of insects often appears uniform and unremarkable to the casual observer. However, a recent revelation has unveiled a remarkable dimension of these tiny creatures: the ability of wasps to distinguish each other's faces. Brace yourself if insects make you uneasy, as this insight might captivate your imagination. In this captivating study, a researcher unearthed an astonishing truth. Paper wasps, scientifically known as Polistes dominula, possess the skill to discern fellow wasps solely by their facial characteristics. Picture the scene: minute wasps, intently scrutinizing each other's visages. Intriguingly, after navigating through a labyrinthine maze, these insects exhibited the ability to identify and recognize the unique faces of their counterparts. This revelation casts a new light upon these creatures. Gone is the notion of a monotonous insect realm. Instead, we are granted a glimpse into the intricacies of social dynamics among wasps. Their utilization of facial recognition for differentiation, whether familiar nestmates or potential intruders, underscores a sophisticated level of interaction far beyond our initial perceptions. Now, it's time for today's subscribers pick. Hey there, curious minds! Buckle up, because we've got a tale that's about to take you on a roller coaster ride through the realms of science and the chilling unknown. A camera in a coffin, a man with open eyes, and a horror-struck expression. Yeah, you heard right. So scientists thought, hey, why not stick a camera in a coffin? And guess what? When they hit that power button, they got more than they bargained for. A man wide-eyed and spooked like he just saw a ghost, or maybe something way more bone-chilling. When those brave researchers rushed to the scene and cracked open the coffin, guess what? Our man was out of breath and pulseless. Now, before you start throwing garlic and crosses around, let's talk about history. Back in the day, folks were pretty worried about being buried alive. So they came up with this wild idea of safety coffins, bells, flags, the whole shebang, so that they can give a signal if they are still alive and possibly escape death. So viewers, drop your thoughts below. Are coffins hiding more than we thought? Or is this just another ghost story? Number 5. Penicillin. Penicillin, often hailed as the wonder drug, stands as a captivating marvel in the realm of medicine. Its journey is a tale of serendipity and human ingenuity that forever transformed the course of healthcare. Brace yourself for a riveting journey into its discovery. In the year 1928, within the bustling laboratories of Scotland, Dr. Alexander Fleming found himself on the cusp of a well-deserved vacation. Little did he know his imminent departure would set the stage for a groundbreaking revelation. In a twist of fate, a petri dish lay forgotten, exposed to the elements. Upon his return, Fleming encountered a startling sight. A curious blue mold had waged a silent war against the bacteria within the dish. Recognizing the significance of this accidental encounter, Fleming delved into this newfound anomaly. Astonishingly, his initial publication of these findings met little fanfare. It would take nearly a decade for a cadre of scientists at Oxford, Florian, Howard, and Ernest to rekindle the flame ignited by Fleming. Their discerning eyes grasped the untapped potential of this enigmatic substance. Fast forward to the year 1942, a monumental moment arrived. Penicillin, once a curious mold, was now harnessed as a powerful medicine. Its administration signaled the dawn of a medical revolution, one that would rewrite the narratives of countless lives. With each passing day, penicillin's reach extended, its life-saving prowess multiplying. From the laboratories of Fleming to the hands of countless healthcare practitioners, the impact of penicillin continues to ripple through time. Lives have been salvaged, ailments tamed, and the realm of medicine forever redefined. The tale of penicillin encapsulates the essence of scientific discovery, an accidental encounter, followed by tireless pursuit, and culminating in an enduring legacy of healing that stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless potential of chance encounters. Number 4. Cornflakes. Behold the humble cornflakes, a global breakfast icon. Yet its origins spin a tale of happenstance that delights the curious mind. Transport yourself to the late 19th century, a time when two visionary brothers, Dr. John Harvey Kellogg and Will Keith Kellogg, embarked on an unforeseen journey. Nestled within the realms of Battle Creek Sanitarium, a health sanctuary in Michigan, USA, the Kellogg brothers were culinary pioneers. Their canvas was the creation of wholesome, nourishing meals for the sanctuary's patrons. In the year 1894, an accidental alchemy took place. A wheat-based dough intended to satiate took an unexpected turn. Left untouched for a touch too long, it emerged from its slumber hardened and desiccated. In a remarkable twist of fate, rather than discarding their culinary mishap, the brothers saw potential within its transformation. Through a whimsical maneuver, they passed the unyielding dough through rollers, envisioning flattened sheets for baking. However, the universe had a different design in store. What emerged were delicate flakes, a revelation that transcended their expectations. Number 3. Velcro. Enter the unassuming realm of Velcro, a daily companion in our lives, adorning furniture, clothing, toys, and an array of tools. Yet prepare for a revelation that weaves an unexpected thread of inspiration. Our story unfolds with Swiss engineer Georges de Mistral, strolling through woodlands with his loyal canine companion. Upon their return, an intriguing spectacle emerged. Tiny burrs from the burdock plant had affixed themselves to George's attire and his dog's fur. An epiphany ignited within George, triggering a transformative idea. Those seemingly pesky seeds held a profound secret. Their microscopic hooks and loops were the inspiration behind Velcro. With a twinkle of innovation in his eyes, Georges embarked on a 14-year odyssey of experimentation and tinkering. His quest? To replicate the natural mechanism he had witnessed beneath the lens of a microscope. And so, in 1955, the world witnessed the birth of Velcro, a revolutionary invention that adhered to daily life with unyielding tenacity. George's relentless pursuit culminated in a fascinating phenomenon that altered the fabric of convenience. The once trivial burdock plant, with its tenacious grip, served as an unwitting muse, birthing an invention that has left an indelible mark. Imagine for a moment if that fateful walk had never occurred. Would our shoes be fastened by different means? Would the simple act of securing bags and garments be a novel experience? Number 2. Fatburg repurposed. In our shared journey through urban living, a vital lesson beckons. The importance of tending to our sewers with conscientious care. A haphazard disposal of grease, oil, and sundry residues might pave a path to something truly repulsive, the notorious Fatburg. Aptly christened, this term amalgamates fat, denoting the oily grime that forms these monstrosities, and berg, evoking imagery of an iceberg. A mere handful of years ago, the word Fatburg entered our lexicon, encapsulating the unholy union of cooking oils and fats within our pipes. These gloopy amalgamations are the veritable vacuum cleaners of our sewers, entrapping an astonishing array of detritus. Picture this: a repugnant confluence of wet wipes, sanitary pads, condoms, and even food scraps. It's a narrative guaranteed to halt your appetite in its tracks. These revolting fatbergs aren't mere nuisances. They wreak havoc on sewage systems worldwide. London to Melbourne, cities bear witness to their havoc, causing blockages and unseemly overflows. Yet enter a cadre of ingenious Canadian researchers poised to transform this grotesque dilemma into an astounding solution: fatbergs metamorphosing into biofuel. A remarkable concept born from the minds of these visionaries. The repugnant metamorphosis from repellent gunk to a potential source of energy stands as a testament to the boundless capabilities of science. It's a heartening reminder that the most unpleasant of conundrums can be transformed into solutions that resonate with both brilliance and sustainability. Number 1. Eternal storage. Amidst the digital epic, the currency of our times lies in storage, a realm of paramount importance. And now, brace yourself for a revelation that transcends the realms of science fiction. Imagine tiny glass discs, inconspicuous yet monumental, birthed from the minds of researchers at the University of Southampton. Their enchanting promise? The capacity to harbor an astounding 360 terabytes of data, a treasure trove of information that boasts a claim to eternal endurance, or at least until our planet perseveres. In a world already brimming with storage options, hard drives, CDs, vinyl, and DVDs, the allure of these glass enigmas beckons. Consider the fleeting nature of our current solutions, DVDs and CDs destined for mere decades of existence, or the temporal fragility of hard drives, prone to corruption and dysfunction. This is where the glass disc ascends, as a herald of a new era in data storage. Envision the implications: a smidgen of glass, yet an everlasting sanctuary for the digital mosaic of our civilization. A canvas for the entirety of human knowledge, preserved in the ethereal embrace of glass. The trajectory seems clear, and many anticipate that this diminutive glass herald is poised to revolutionize the landscape of data storage, a testament to human innovation's unyielding quest to stretch the boundaries of possibility. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey, and stay tuned for more exciting discoveries. Until next time.